A Sullivan County jury will soon determine the fate of Megan Boswell, the woman accused of killing her 15-month-old daughter, Evelyn.
It comes after both prosecution and defense gave their closing arguments. The judge then gave instructions to the jury before members began deliberations.
When you have reached a verdict, you will return with it to this courtroom, and your foreperson will deliver the verdict form to the court. Take with you the presentment, the exhibits, the verdict forms, the court's written instructions, and you may retire and consider your verdict.
Boswell faces 19 charges, including first-degree murder, felony murder, aggravated child abuse and neglect, abuse of a corpse, and many counts of false reports.
The jury has since gone back to their hotel before further deliberations tomorrow. News Channel 11's Jayana Scree recaps the final day for the prosecution and defense.
Yeah, Sarah, Casey, after over a week of evidence and testimony, emotions still flared from both the defense and prosecution before both rested their respective cases. Assistant District Attorney Amber Massengill was the first to deliver a closing argument to the jury for the prosecution. She described that Megan Boswell had weaved a massive web of lies after early December 2019, the time Evelyn died.
And then by December 7th, she's concocted her plan.
Massengill said forensic evidence and medical evidence erase any reasonable doubt that Evelyn Boswell was killed by her mother.
That she murdered her baby, she put her in that trash can with food trash and debris, covered her body, essentially mummified her, and tossed her away, literally, with the trash.
Boswell's defense attorney, Gene Scott, went next.
She's 17 years old. She's not sophisticated. She's had a hard life. She's scared that she's going to get in trouble. Should she have called and reported? She absolutely should have. I told you that in my opening statement. Have they proved that she's a liar over and over? They have. Don't deny that. They haven't proved she's a murderer.
Scott said the state simply hadn't proved how Evelyn died or who moved her body beyond a reasonable doubt. He brought up Boswell's boyfriend at the time, Hunter Wood.
I'm not saying Hunter killed that child. I'm saying he did dispose of the child. His dad talks about he went crazy because he was called a baby killer. Maybe he went crazy because of his participation in disposing of that body.
Deputy District Attorney William Harper pushed back on the idea that anyone besides Megan Boswell was involved or responsible for the death of Evelyn Boswell. Court will reconvene tomorrow at 8 a.m. If Boswell is convicted on any of her murder charges, a sentencing hearing will begin afterward. We will continue to monitor the jury deliberations. You can keep up to date with everything that happened throughout the trial by going to our website at wjhl.com. Casey.